Happy New Year, everyone. People have stopped shopping for just one day. Yes, this is as slow as it looks. It is blown a gale once again. So yes, brand new year, and as I was waking up this morning, running around the house, something happened which made me think, why has this not been invented yet? So new year, new innovation, new tech, new solutions to problems that we never realised existed but do. Some of these inventions are pretty useless, and maybe the problem don't exist, but just to me. So what I would love to see in 2023, you decide whether it's useless or not down in the comments below, but I'd love to see a door handle friendly dressing gown or bathrobe. At the countless times cuffs catch on the door handles. Maybe it's invented already, who knows? Drop me the link down below, yeah? I can't even say it. Door handle friendly dressing gown. Is it a useless idea? Is it a fad? Is it a game changer? Oh, that word. It's been overdone over the last couple of years. Game changer. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, anyway, it's time for a little bit of off-road action. I'm heading down Washingdales Road. I haven't been this way for maybe 5 years or something like that, maybe longer. He's come this way with Tony Brewitt. I need to catch up with young Tony in the next couple of days. Say hello, see how he's doing. It's going to start to get muddy soon, I think. We're going to go along the edge of a farmer's field. There's nothing quite beating the sight of seeing your hometown from afar. Tell you what, it's a peaceful day, very peaceful. It's been quiet on the road. I wish every day was like New Year's Day. It's been like a pandemic day, no one about. So about 70, maybe 80 metres above sea level right now. It's not a lot, but when I think around it's flat, it does, as you know, open up to a good view of the surrounding area. Right, so it's a nice descent now. Hopefully dog free this time. Oh yeah. Ugh. So this ride I'll be on today will be my first century ride of the year, starting as I mean to go on this particular route as well. It's more or less the same as a few days ago before the Peak District trip. I've smoothed out the first 50k. Now I know there's some bits which I don't really want to do again, at least not at this time of year. Left this morning, same sort of time really, but yeah, no cutting it short today. I've looked at the route. It's 25% unpaved, so that's 40k basically, off-road stroke gravel. No big day, no long day tomorrow in terms of having to get up early or anything. Tomorrow is Bank Holiday Monday. Last day before the new job starts on Tuesday, so a bit of a shorter day tomorrow, and then a few days off during the week to recover for next weekend. As you can see, I'm heading down to Woodhorse Bar via Horncastle either of those will be when I'm going to something to eat. Probably just a corner shop or something. Not sure what's going to be open today, to be fair. I've already passed one Lincolnshire co-op that was closed, so it's the small corner shops that I'll be looking for. So at Horncastle, as you can see on the close up of the map, that is the Spa Trail, part of the Viking Way trail. The Viking Way was from the Humber to Rutland. I will be doing that at some point later in the year when things dry out a little bit. So that's 240k or so, 150 miles. So yeah, I need the days to be much longer than they are right now. And like I just said, it's very wet at the moment. As a person that also rides bikes, just like you, I think we've all got our favourite roads, or at least our favourite views in our local area where we love riding and never get bored of seeing. And this is one of those to me. It's the road between Swallow and Coxwold. I just love the rolling countryside. So this newly discovered gravel bridleway exists in the village of Rothwell, at the bottom of the large hill into the village itself. This stays a gravel bridleway all the way up to the high street. In my last ride after this, the next trail that I took was an absolute mud bath. You would have seen my tyres. I'll drop a link in the corner and show you what my tyres were like on that one. Suffice to say, I'm not going that way today. I'm going around that field and dropping on the other side of it, reconnecting at Norman Beeler Wold. There is another off-road section, but it's beautiful and it's nowhere near, it's not a mud bath. So here I am, northern Lincolnshire, High Street towards Caister, the highest point in the Wolds, 174 metres above sea level. Oh, see if we're gonna hear potholes or anything. Here's something a vlogger never tells you about these mounts, and that is the time you spend editing out your slurps and your lisps and stuff like that. They're great, but you shouldn't really use them while you're talking. But they're just so useful.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes in my way.
I've just arrived in Horncastle for lunch and I've just put the cafe open there, well at least the lights are up. Instead I've gone to Heron with some sandwiches, 31 pence each. I thought I'll get both. Love the green olives. Body Hero plant protein drink, cranberry juice, and apple, and a big malt soaring loaf, so cheap and cheerful. Yeah, it's about 4 miles along here to Woodall Spa till you reach Sandy Lane. I'm guessing that's the end of the trail. Maybe it'll keep going then, not sure. First time I've been down here. But yeah, soon turning around, have a little bit of a tailwind. Some of you will have noticed I'm wearing my TCR cap today. It's the first time I've worn it since, well, the TCR. I've always been funny about wearing, you know, numbered race caps, what people might think of it, but got to be proud of your achievements, aren't you? So why not? So yeah, brand new year, more great adventures to come throughout 2023. Hope you stick around to join those with me. Have you got any big adventures planned this year? I'm sure you have. Let me know down in the comments below. And wow, got your attention, don't forget, got a competition. I'll stick a link in the corner of the screen. That £30 cookware set to be won. Closing date is the 10th of Jan. Keep those entries coming in. Also, hope you enjoy this channel. If you're not subscribed yet, now might be the time. Oh, work. I'm going to be walking. I don't know why I'm trying to pedal really. Well, after this 100-mile bike ride, actually I've done quite well up to now to you know, ploughed on through. It's back onto something a little bit more rideable. So this bridle path has turned it into a public footpath. So I'm just walking through. It's not rideable on this bike anyway. So I'm just going up to a place called Farforth. Oh look, public brideway. So I'm going up this brideway now. Stroke field. Towards Farforth. Alright, let's try again. Tell you what. Oh, no, let's get in first. It is mild for December. I don't know what it is. It's quite mild. I don't know how much you can see, but I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. There's fields all around. I'm up, going up that thing next. Oh dear. It's getting dark. You won't be able to see much soon. I don't know why. Right, I'm probably going to leave it here. Hope you enjoyed this one. Once again, if you're not subscribed yet, now might be the time. Comments, questions down below. As always, you can find a link to my Strava down in the description if you want to check out where I've been. Right, for me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.